Have you ever wondered about the remarkable powers of the vitamins hiding in plain sight on your dinner plate? Could these everyday nutrients hold the key to repairing nerve damage and restoring the intricate web of your nervous system? In this exploration, we delve into the world of vitamins, those essential compounds that often go unnoticed in our daily lives, but play a profound role in the health of our nerves. Can these vitamins truly aid in the repair of damaged nerves, and if so, how? Let's embark on a journey through 10 incredible vitamins, each with its own unique potential to rejuvenate and support your nervous system. Number 1. Vitamin B12, the nerve regenerator. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a crucial nutrient when it comes to nerve repair and health. This water-soluble vitamin plays a vital role in the formation and maintenance of myelin, the protective sheath around nerve fibers. Myelin ensures that electrical signals can travel efficiently along nerve cells. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to nerve damage and conditions like peripheral neuropathy. You can find vitamin B12 in various food sources, with animal products being the richest, such as meat, fish, dairy, and eggs. For individuals following a vegetarian or vegan diet, fortified cereals and supplements can be excellent sources of this essential vitamin. Ensuring an adequate intake of vitamin B12 is particularly important for those with conditions that affect its absorption, such as pernicious anemia or gastrointestinal disorders. Regular monitoring of B12 levels and consulting with a healthcare provider can help prevent and address deficiencies, ultimately supporting nerve repair and function. Number 2. Vitamin B6, the nervous system's ally. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is a vital player in maintaining and repairing the nervous system. This vitamin is crucial for the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that facilitate communication between nerve cells. Serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, are examples of neurotransmitters that rely on vitamin B6. A deficiency in vitamin B6 can result in nerve-related issues, including peripheral neuropathy. To ensure you're getting an adequate supply, incorporate foods like bananas, chickpeas, potatoes, poultry, and fish into your diet. These sources are rich in vitamin B6 and can support nerve health and repair. Number 3. Vitamin B1, thiamine, the energy provider. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in nerve health. Thiamine is a key component in converting glucose, sugar, into energy, which is vital for the proper functioning of nerve cells. Without enough thiamine, nerve cells can't produce sufficient energy, leading to nerve damage. Thiamine deficiency can result from conditions like beriberi, which primarily affects the nervous system. To boost your thiamine intake, incorporate whole grains, nuts, seeds, lean meats, and legumes into your diet. These foods are excellent sources of thiamine and can help support nerve repair and prevent deficiencies. For individuals at risk of thiamine deficiency, such as those with alcohol use disorders or certain medical conditions, supplementation may be recommended under medical supervision to protect and repair nerve cells. Number 4. Vitamin E, the antioxidant guardian. Vitamin E is renowned for its antioxidant properties, but its role in nerve repair should not be overlooked. Oxidative stress can damage nerve cells, contributing to conditions like neuropathy. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals and protect nerve cells from oxidative damage. You can find vitamin E in a variety of foods, including nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and green leafy vegetables. Including these sources in your diet can provide your body with the vitamin E it needs to support nerve health and repair. Additionally, vitamin E supplements may be considered in cases where dietary intake is insufficient or for individuals with specific medical conditions that increase oxidative stress on nerve cells. Number 5. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin for nerves. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in nerve repair and maintenance. While most known for its role in bone health, vitamin D is also involved in nerve function and the preservation of the myelin sheath that protects nerve fibers. The primary source of vitamin D is sunlight. When your skin is exposed to sunlight, it produces vitamin D naturally. However, dietary sources such as fatty fish, example, salmon, mackerel, fortified dairy products, and supplements can also contribute to your vitamin D intake. Adequate vitamin D levels are essential for preserving nerve health and promoting nerve repair. Individuals with conditions that affect vitamin D absorption or those who live in regions with limited sunlight may need to pay extra attention to their vitamin D intake to support nerve recovery. Number 6. Vitamin C, the collagen creator. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is well known for its immune-boosting properties, but it also plays a critical role in nerve repair. This water-soluble vitamin is essential for the production of collagen, a structural protein that forms the connective tissue supporting nerve cells. Collagen is crucial for the integrity of nerve cell membranes and the overall structure of the nervous system. A deficiency in vitamin C can impair collagen production and contribute to nerve-related issues. To increase your vitamin C intake, consume a variety of fruits and vegetables, particularly citrus fruits, example, oranges, lemons, strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers. These foods are rich sources of vitamin C and can contribute to nerve repair and overall health. Number 7. Vitamin A, the nerve tissue guardian. Vitamin A, often associated with maintaining healthy vision, also plays a significant role in nerve health. This fat-soluble vitamin is essential for the growth and repair of nerve tissues. Vitamin A supports the formation and maintenance of the myelin sheath that protects nerve fibers, ensuring efficient signal transmission. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to issues related to nerve health. To boost your vitamin A intake, incorporate foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, kale, and liver into your diet. These foods are rich in vitamin A and can contribute to the repair and protection of nerve tissues. Number 8. Vitamin K, the sphingolipid synthesizer. Vitamin K is essential for nerve health due to its role in the synthesis of sphingolipids, a class of lipids crucial for nerve cell membranes. These lipids are vital for maintaining the structural integrity of nerve cells and ensuring efficient nerve signal transmission. To increase your vitamin K intake, include foods like leafy greens, example, kale, spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage in your diet. These vegetables are excellent sources of vitamin K and can help support nerve repair and overall nerve health. Number 9. Vitamin F, omega-3 fatty acids, the anti-inflammatory allies. Omega-3 fatty acids, often referred to as vitamin F, are essential for nerve repair and maintenance due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can contribute to nerve damage and conditions like neuropathy. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid (EPA) and docosahexaenoic acid (DHA), found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout, can help reduce inflammation in the nervous system and support the integrity of nerve cell membranes. Additionally, plant-based sources like walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds provide alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which can be converted into EPA and DHA in the body. Including these sources in your diet can aid in nerve repair and overall nerve health. Number 10. Vitamin H, biotin, the nerve regenerator. Vitamin H, also known as biotin, is essential for nerve function and regeneration. Biotin supports nerve repair by assisting in the synthesis of fatty acids, which are vital components of nerve cell membranes. To ensure an adequate intake of biotin, include foods like eggs, nuts, seeds, and whole grains in your diet. These sources provide biotin and can contribute to nerve repair and overall nerve health. In cases where biotin deficiency is suspected, such as in certain medical conditions or as part of a therapeutic regimen for nerve repair, healthcare professionals may recommend biotin supplementation to support nerve regeneration. Each of these 10 vitamins plays a unique and essential role in repairing nerve damage and maintaining optimal nerve health. A balanced diet that includes a variety of these nutrients can go a long way towards supporting your nervous system. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health conditions or concerns related to nerve damage. Thank you for joining us in exploring these remarkable vitamins for nerve repair. We hope this information empowers you to take steps toward a healthier, nerve-friendly lifestyle. Stay well, and until next time, take care.